Hi guys, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to focus on investor visa in 2022. What do you need to know, how to get E2 visa, and so on. So let's do this. Coming up. All right, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and let's talk about today's topic, that is how you can get E2 investor visa in 2022. So, E2 investor visa is for people who are from a treaty country. So first things first, you have to be coming from the treaty country. People always ask me, gosh, I'm not from the treaty country, what are my options? Well, then you can maybe consider L visa as an alternative. I do have a couple of videos on L visa on my channel, definitely check it out. Now, if you are from the treaty country and you are entrepreneur, or maybe you are business owner, maybe you're existing business owner, right? But even if you're not existing business owner, you can still get E2 visa if you're starting brand new business in the US and you have at least the substantial amount of capital. Now, the substantial amount of capital, people always ask me, what does it mean? So this means that you have just enough to get started, a successful company that is not going to be marginal. So this means that you have to show that your business is generating profit and it's generating more than a minimum living expenses for yourself and your family, right? So for example, let's say you are moving to California and your business is generating $2,000 before you apply for E2 visa. I know there is a little paradox going on, but you have to show that the business is not marginal and also there is a potential for growth. And therefore you need to have the 5-year projections in your business plan. So let's go to that example. You're going to California, the expenses are pretty high in California. Let's say that you generate $3,000 a month, right? And you are moving to LA with your spouse and 2 children. Guess what? This is definitely showing me that the business is marginal, and therefore you do not qualify. So you would have to show that you are generating more than your minimal living expenses, right? So this really depends on location, city, definitely state, right? And other factors, because otherwise this appears to be marginal business and therefore you are not really generating profit, you barely making your needs covered every month, and therefore, guess what? You don't qualify. So it's not just enough to invest substantial amount of capital. Based on my experience, anywhere from $50,000 to $500,000, $50K to $500,000. But it's also essential to build a business, right? Now, for those who want to dig deeper into topic of building a business, particularly service-based business, women, coaching, consulting, and so on, I have a training for just that. So if you resonate with this and you want to go deeper into this, how you can actually build a business that is successful, the training is going to be below this video. Now, if you are someone who is starting different type of business, again, make sure to understand the requirements. Make sure to understand that you have to invest from legal source. You have to document the legal source, right? You have to, invest. The process of investment means that you are actually spending the investment funds in the US, or you're in the process of spending. It's not enough to just wire them to the US account and apply. And then that you were able to successfully create this profitable company, right? And then you're good to go, guys. So this is just a recap, right? Things you need to know. Lastly, people always ask me recently if I need a vaccination to enter or apply for E2. This is a new rule, right? Like as someone who is applying for investor visa, you need to be vaccinated or show that you are falling under the waiver, right? Now, for the interviews, as far as I know, when you're applying for a green card, part of the application is the medical exam, right? E2 is not part of medical exam in your application. The vaccination record is not part of the medical exam in your application, just like with the green card, right? However, you need to show that when you enter the US or when you're boarding the plane. So things to keep in mind. And other than that, join the training. If you want to talk to me, you can book a call, link is below. And what else I have for you? Lastly, I do have special discounted program right now. This is because of the holidays. And this is for those who want to do the E2 visa yourself. You can use the code holiday gift, and you can also find the information below this video. There's going to be a link to the program. It's discounted. Right now we are offering 50% off. So you can actually get that program, enroll with 50% off discount. Plus on top of that, I'm offering the code, which is a discount code, $500 down. So again, if you feel that you can do this and you want my guidance, this program is perfect for you. And like I said, the link to enroll to that program, which I call the Business and Visa Accelerator program, you can find it below this video. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Happy holidays, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.